So welcome friends, in this video I am going to share your best ways to answer on Quora. Okay, so what are the best ways to answer on Quora that you will get maximum number of views and you can earn some sort of commission from affiliate marketing. In last video I've talked about how you can earn money using this Quora affiliate marketing, Quora plus Amazon Associates, and you will be earning around 10 to $20 per day. This is not going to be a full-time income stream, but this may help you as a side hustle. So in this video I'm going to share you a method using which you can earn some sort of cash, because this is best method to answer questions on this platform called Quora. So for that you have to have a account on SEMrush.com. SEMrush is an affiliate marketing and SEO, and this is all in one digital marketing tool, let's say. Okay, so you have to create a free account on this. I'll leave the link of SEMrush in description of this video, and you have to create an account and get 7 days free trial. In these 7 days free trial you will get thousands of questions to be answered on Quora, and you can earn thousands of dollars if you pick right method, which I have to show you in this video. So first of all, decide which product you want to promote, and you don't worry about answers, because ChatGPT will provide answers for resources or articles which we have to post it on Quora. So let me type any sort of seed keyword. For example, I want to target Amazon Associates, because I tried Amazon Associates with this method and I earned $12. So I'm going to go with refrigerator. Okay, if you want to start with Amazon Associates, create Amazon Associates account, and then you have to type any product which you want to promote on Quora.com, because we have to answer the questions on Quora in best possible way to get most traction, most traffic, and we will have some sort of commission. And then I will choose the price thousands and above, because Amazon Associates commission rates are very low, so I need some dual zone portable refrigerator and a freezer. Let me check if this is available in stock. If this is available, cannot be shipped to my desired location, but this is in stock, so this means this 1000 to 1.2k dollars total price of this refrigerator. So after that, which I found a product, so now I have to promote this. Okay, I will promote this product. Then go to SEMrush.com. I will leave link of this product in description, and I just type refrigerator. Okay, after typing refrigerator, this will show me the total search volume of this particular keyword in United States. It's 368k total search volume, and we don't have to bother about the search volume, just we need these questions. 3 million worth search volume of just 183k keywords. Just tap at view all keywords, and we will find we don't have to target all these questions, because we want to answer the questions on Quora to get ranked on Google using authority of Quora.com. Okay, so from all these 3 million keywords we will filter out some easy to rank and low comparative keywords in order to write down the answers for those keywords and they get paid from Amazon Associates or any affiliate program. If you want to target software products, you can go with Share a Sale, Clickbank, Impact Radius, partner stack and other more. After that, you have to tap at this KD keyword difficulty to just 20, or you can target even 30, so I'll go with 30 to get some extra keywords. And after that, you can see around 500 keywords with 429k search volume with average keyword difficulty of 21, which is very fair, so we can easily rank on Google. You can see does does Ozempic need to be refrigerated? how many amps does a refrigerator use? You can see this is a question. After that you have to open ChatGPT and install a Chrome extension called Aprem for ChatGPT to get all these prompts available for you to write SEO optimized articles for you, which we have to put in the place of answers on Quora.com. So I'll be choosing. So for the first of all, you have to export all these keywords, okay, from by tapping this export button, and this will be exported uh, in the form of Excel, and which we have to target later, because we can't target 5,000 keywords in a single day. So you have to work for at least 20 to 30 minutes a day, and you will be getting sales from day one, okay. And I've tried this method for 30 minutes and I got, you can see these are $12 I got. Even to this date I'm getting continuous clicks from that work which I did in the last before last 80 days, okay. So what you have to do is we have to find a keywords. Because I've chosen this particular refrigerator, so I need some sort of question related to this. How much does a refrigerator weigh? Wait, okay. So how many amps does a refrigerator use? I'll choose this prompt and just enter title. The title is, sorry, and from these all these keywords you have to find the best possible keywords relevant to your, and you can see results in search engines, okay. If a target does work, we need to be refrigerated, these are only 92 results in search results in US, so I can easily rank for this keyword. How long do fresh eggs last in the refrigerator? 1600 keyword, 1600 search volume, estimated search volume, and the trend is also a good, and we have zero results for this, zero exact uh, people targeted this keyword. So if I target this keyword, I can easily make around $500 per month using from a single answer if I use it in a right way. So I will go with this method, okay. How long does, I'll copy this question, paste it right here in my tool, and this will write me a full question, okay. So after that I have to go to this Quora.com, create a account around all this, okay, around this your topic, your ideal topic. For example, if I'm going to promote products relevant to refrigerators, I have to create account, for example, refrigerators shop or any blog about refrigerators. I have to name in such a way that I can easily rank for Google. So after that you have to ask question by yourself, you don't have to answer people's question, you have to ask your own question, because this works perfect. You can see already asked, so add new question. I am going to add this question by my own, and just I done, and then skip this AI answer, and I'll get this my, you can see this is the exact question which people ask. So after that I'll yeah, you can see ChatGPT has written me a SEO optimized article for me. So just copy all this till this conclusion button, and then I have to tap at this answer button and type all this, okay. You can see this is pasted, and this is some sort of short article about fishing, about the refrigerators, this particular question. And then after that you have to type get the Amazon Associates link from here, this product's affiliate link, copy this link and they just paste it. Let me dual zone portable refrigerator, let me add a CTA, call to action button, best refrigerator to keep eggs. Then I'll paste my affiliate, I'll make it anchor text or clickable link, okay. You can see this is a clickable link now, and I'll just tap at post button and this will be posted on Quora. So this is the easiest methods to answer. This is the best method to answer questions on Quora and earn some cash. So if someone tap at this button, he will be redirected to this Amazon product, which is refrigerator of worth $12,000. And if he purchases, even if he don't purchase this product, if he purchases any other product in next 24 hours, I'll be getting some sort of commission. So this is the best method to answer questions on Quora.